Biff. He's got a club. Ooh. Fucking Biff is doing my nutting. Get lost. Oh yeah, got the line now. Oh, let her run wide. Come on. Ah. Natasha. Well, hello. Yes. Watch the piss stains. Is that a car? Oh, there's a car. Oh, yeah. Ah, you fucking. Come on. Whee! Yes. Yes, like it. I like it. Oh, who's this? O'Leary. Suck it. Come on now. Oh, you're more. Yay, yay. Oh. What? I'm all right. Right, picked up some consumables. They're not cheap, are they? You know, flipping what? They're like £5 a piece? No, not that much. About £3. It's just extortionate. Right, that's what we're doing then. Need to do something with this bonnet because I've got nowhere to keep it and excuse me. So yeah, I'm going to try and sell it, and to get the best sort of chance of selling it, I'm going to weld up the bonnet catches, weld up those vents that I put in. Yeah, we'll get a closer look at it now. So here we are. It's pretty good. Got some flame vents going on. Yeah, I kind of regret doing that. But aero catches. Oh, Ken block, eh? Dear. So yeah. Nobody wants a bonnet with these in, do they? So just going to cut these out. Just carefully weld in, repair the other side. Just try and get it like it never happened. Because yes, it's a bit scuffed, but it's really good. There's no dents on it. Just needs well, there's about 5 layers of paint on this thing. Not bad. try and clean up in there. That's a problem, that bit, isn't it? But generally, it's pretty good. Right, let's get it on the. Let's get it on those stores and start having a look and cutting some out. Right, so here we are. We just got set up. I'm just gonna trace around a bit of steel for them, weld the holes up, grind it all back, and these I'm just gonna cut there, and then same again, trace in a bit of steel and then just gradually weld it in, and then we'll flip it over and do the other side. Didn't think it had any filler in, but it has. It seems like the filler is just to sort out a few dents on the front here. So we'll take it all out and we'll just panel beat it back, get the dents out, and then it'll be a decent solid bonnet then. Fucking hell. don't know how bad that looks on camera, but it's fucking shocking. Got like fucking 5mm of filler, probably to about here. Really disappointed. It is battered. It's had vents in it, fucking bonnet catches in it. Gutted. It's mangled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the rest of this, all this front edge, see what it really looks like, and then yeah, make a decision. Great. Right. Oh, this is just fucking great, isn't it? It's like there's no rust issues, it's just all battered. I don't know. Well, oh god, yeah. I don't know what to do with it now. Filling in those holes and selling it was the plan, but now I think it's well, if I hadn't have rubbed into filler there straight away, I wouldn't have bothered. I wouldn't have took any of this off, but I'm glad I have, because it's uncovered all this. So if I put it on for a decent price on eBay, I would have been pretty pissed off if I bought it and then started prepping it and found all this lot hiding underneath it. So I don't know now. I've grinded in some flames. Yeah, the rest of it's alright. So yeah, I think I'm going to oh dear. What to do? What shall I do? So yeah, do I stick it on eBay as is, because, you know, somebody might want a Mad Max bonnet, you know, something they can butcher and mess about with. Or do I keep it for a project that I've got in mind, which isn't to do with that one? So I've got an idea. I'll be doing a video soon of another Capri, and do I save this bonnet for that one? Because if you think that looks bad, the one I've got planned is going to be like shockingly, like, how is that thing even on the road? Yeah, I think yeah, we'll leave it at that. Yeah, so like and subscribe for more. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.